I need to save $975 for community college tuition and other expenses, but now she is confused. Her oldest sister is going to Hawaii next month, and she wants Anita to go with her. They can get a discount on a hotel room and share the costs of renting a car. Anita knows college is important, but she wants to visit Hawaii. The problem is she can't afford both. If she goes Hawaii, she won't have enough money for college. It will take her a year to save enough money for tuition. Anita wants to be a nurse someday and work in a hospital. She doesn't know what to do. She has to make a difficult decision.